were updated during the entry and how much work status was updated during the geo tagging of the work. Are you getting my point? Am I clear, sir? Sir? Bhargav?
I'm getting it. For that MIS part and geotag, both have that option of this
Updated the status. Yeah. Anything else?
One more question, madam.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hello, this is SPMA from Tamil Nadu.
Yes.
One more question. This is we have to take only one photos or different photos of the same work completed, or multiple angles for each work in CGF.
I think you guys can answer it better. What to take?
Sir, may you please repeat your question again, sir?
Should we take one photo or different photos of different angles for the same work completed?
You can take different, photos from different angle. That is not an issue.
Okay.
Okay, but
one
just
request is you have to create an option for corrections. For the state level, some menu has to be there for deleting that mistaken photos or that has to be you have to create. And as well as you have to create different district level margins at the state MIS also for this.
you can do that. No, you can create the district level login ID password or the cluster level login ID password. And we have in this app we have given the facility that one user ID and a password can be used multiple times at multiple in multiple device at particular moment. So that is not an issue when the district and the cluster level, if the cluster level login ID and password is created, it can be used by 5 and 6 official at the same moment. At the moment, okay. So that is not an issue.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, so this is from Kerala. We had one doubt. In continuation to Tamil Nadu, it will be better if you put an approval option to the SNA for uploading the photos, because many people are wrongly or taking the photos. The delete option is not available. We can't delete it. It will be better if you give an approval option in the SNA level.
Okay.
Madam, just
yes.
I would like to ask one thing. Does do all the state want this facility that each and every work pics needs to be approved by the SNA login? Do all the state want it? Want it?
I think it will be better, sir, for Kerala.
I think one thing we can do, we just put a reject option. All the works are by default approved if SNA does not reject it. I think that will be better, because all the photos one by one you have to check. It will take much time.
Or any delete option, if not possible, sir, any delete option to the SNA for wrongly taken photos?
Okay, right now it is not there, but we can keep the make it available very soon.
Madam, basically approval option, we will not be giving you the approval option, we will be giving you the rejection option, okay? So you can reject it. So Gautam sir, but in such case we have to make the mechanism if the some work pick is being rejected. In such case, the work status, whatever was chosen by the user, even it was initiated, ongoing or completed, it should go null, basically. If the pick is being rejected by, in such cases, then this work status in the Geo Urban app, it should go null.
No. Okay.
If it is being rejected at the ongoing level, then only the initiated level picks will remain there. If it is being rejected at the initiative level, then the work status will be nil in the GeoUrban app, sir.
Okay. We'll write the approach.
One more doubt regarding the MIS entry.
Yes.
Can you hear me? Sir?
Yes, please.
Yeah, we have some clusters are in our state. Some clusters are did not done the detailed work entry in MIS. So due to containment effect, containment problems, we are lagging in some areas because we cannot go to the field or do some entries in particular clusters. So some of them have tried for the geotagging for the nearby places, and we did not done the detailed work entry for their clusters. Is it possible for us to unfreeze the DPR after the tagging is done?
Madam, as far as I have understood your question, you are asking that this clause which we have put in the while geotagging the app, that work details entry should be there. You want the relaxation in that even if the work details entry is not done, you can geotag the pic. This is what you want.
In some work we are lagging it. In many of the works we have done, but in some work we have to split it.
Madam, I think that I could not understand your question, ma'am. Can you please elaborate, ma'am, again?
The works I think have to be entered before you start tagging the images. That is I think the problem.
Yes.
Is it so, Kerala? Is this the query?
It's not audible.
Ma'am, can you repeat your question, Kerala?
Sir, in MIS, we have to enter the work entry for geotagging, right?
Yes, madam.
In some work we are lagging it because we have consolidatedly entered the project.
Madam,
So
first of all, in such cases, if you have consolidated all the projects, basically you have make only single entry for multiple projects. In such cases, what you have to do, you have to just you revise your DPR and fill all the works separately, ma'am. This is what I have been telling since month of March. That please fill all the works separately in the Urbansoft, and because when you would be making the payments, again you would face the problem. Not in the geotagging, you will face a problem in the making the payments. I have explained all these things in your state to Ramya. I have told all these issues that you would be facing if you do not segregate each and every work. Are you getting my point? You have to fill each and every work separately. Don't consolidate the work. And this is the suggestion for all the state. If you have consolidated multiple works in a single work and you want to make the payment, then surely in future you would be having a lot of problem even in the geotagging. So what can be done if you have such problems in the DPRs? You can ask the state managers to revert your DPR and just revise your DPR. Otherwise, every day you would be having the problem because every work has different ASTS FS, and you have to upload the ASTS FS for each and every work for making the payment. You know, right now you can dodge this, but in the future, if the audit will happen, then you would be facing lot of problems. I am telling you. Am I clear, madam?
Yes.
If no one has any question, then we can close the VC, please. If someone has any question can be asked.
Sir, this is from Telangana. Is it audible, sir?
Yeah, it is audible, ma'am.
Sir, actually अभी Urbansoft में वर्क एंट्री में वर्क स्टेज है, तो अभी जियो रुर्बन ऐप में उसमें भी स्टेज है, तो Urbansoft में एंट्री करना और जियो रुर्बन में एंट्री करना, ये दोनों अलग है ना?
मैडम ये हमने अभी इशू डिस्कस कर लिया है। बेसिकली आपको दो जगह वर्क स्टेटस अपडेट करना है। उसमें कंफ्यूजन हो सकता है कि एक वर्क स्टेटस आप वर्क एंट्री करते टाइम कर सकते हो और दूसरा वर्क स्टेटस आप कर सकते हो जियो अर्बन ऐप के टाइम पे जब आप जियो टैगिंग कर रहे होगे। तो उसके लिए हमने ये रखा है कि हम उसको अलग अलग दिखा रहे हैं। बेसिकली हमारे पास कंप्लीटेड
एक चीज मैं कहना चाहूंगा इस पर। देखिए, जो एमआईएस में है, जो इनिशिएटेड एंड गोइंग एंड वो स्टेटस है उस वर्क के लिए, है ना। वो वर्क अभी इनिशिएटेड स्टेज में है या ऑनगोइंग स्टेज में है या कंप्लीट हो गया है। और जब आप फोटो खींचेंगे वो है कि आप इनिशिएटेड स्टेज का फोटो खींच रहे हैं या अभी ऑनगोइंग स्टेज का फोटो खींच रहे हैं, या आप एक कंप्लीटेड वर्क का फोटो खींच रहे हैं। समझ गए?
और एक चीज
इसका फोटो आप खींच रहे हैं।
एक चीज इसमें और भी है कि जो हमने ऐप में ऑप्शन, जो रर्बन सॉफ्ट में ऑप्शन दे रखा है, द ऑप्शन हैज बीन गिवन इन द रर्बन सॉफ्ट टू अपलोड द pics of tangible works. Okay, you know, if you have given the training and you now training 2 years back, now you have to geotag it. In such cases you can log in the Rubbersoft MIS login and you can try to geotag geotagging in the app itself. Then it's asked that whether the geotag is available or not. In that case you can choose no and you can upload the pics. This option we have given for the tangible works in the Rubbersoft.
Sir, actually, why I'm asking this query is in Telangana already we have entered work-wise in for 5 clusters. तो स्टेज ऑफ वर्क अब तक नहीं लिखा है। तो अभी रिबनसॉफ्ट में पहले वो स्टेज ऑफ वर्क अपलोड करके फिर जियो रिबन में अपलोड करना, क्योंकि रिबनसॉफ्ट में बोल रहे कि स्टेज ऑफ वर्क इज नॉट मेंशन्ड।
Yes, you can do it.
और ये क्या है, अभी 11 क्लस्टर्स का वो सब रिवर्ट कर फिर से वो सब भी वर्क वाइज एंट्री किया, तो वो पहले स्टेज ऑफ वर्क दैट अपडेटेड इन Rubbersoft देन जियो रिबन, और अदरवाइज वी हैव टू डायरेक्टली एंटर इन जियो रिबन।
आप मैडम आप जियो टैग वाली ऐप में कीजिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। अगर आपने यहाँ पे भी नहीं किया आप वहां पे भी कर सकती हैं, और ये आप जियो टैग वाली ऐप में ही कर लीजिए, जियो अर्बन ऐप में ही कर लीजिए। बेसिकली शुरुआत में ये ऑप्शन हमने शुरुआत में दिया था 2-3 महीने पहले, क्योंकि हमारे पास जियो अर्बन ऐप नहीं थी। तो हम ये चाह रहे थे कि अगर आपको किसी भी वर्क का स्टेटस अपडेट करना है तो आप अपडेट कर सकते हैं।
ओके सर, थैंक यू।
ठीक है, और आप उन दोनों को लिंक मत कीजिए, उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। अगर आप वहां पे अपडेट कर देती हैं तो ठीक है।
सर कहाँ से, वही मेरा डाउट है सर। अभी 11 क्लस्टर्स का रिवर्ट करके फिर से एंटर करे तो अभी जियो रिबन से डायरेक्टली अपडेट होगी, इट विल नॉट शो इन रिबन।
ऑटोमेटिकली अपडेट हो जाएगा। जो जियो अर्बन ऐप का जो भी आप स्टेटस कर रहे हैं, जियो अर्बन ऐप Rubbersoft से लिंक है, तो जो भी आप स्टेटस वहां चूज कर रहे हैं वो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा।
Sir, if it is already not there in the Rubbersoft, it cannot be done to the Zero Urban first.
Sir, this is the
Rubbersoft and then only it will
basically after the approval of the DPR you have to do the works entry. Okay, you have to upload the FS amount, you have to upload ASTS FS and you have to fill the FS amount. Only after filling these entries you can geotag the app, and only filling after these entries you can make the payment also.
Sir, submission sir, actually in Raikal cluster, Jukka cluster, some of clusters already we have taken images from Jio Urban app, but it is not reflecting in Rubbersoft. If we go to that work in Rubbersoft, that is not updating the status what we have entered in Jio Urban app.
Varamji, would you like to say something?
Actually, she's telling that the status that they have uploaded in the app
Yeah.
is not reflecting in the relevance of
Yeah.
status, I think. You know?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Initiated and going.
Yes, sir.
So we have to check that. We have to check that if it is not updated, no problem. We can upload. Means we can update the status ourselves. We'll check it. If it is not there, we'll means do it.
Yeah. And any other queries? I think. Yogesh, anything more we have to add?
No, ma'am. I think that we are done, ma'am.
Yeah. So if there are any queries, please you can ask. Otherwise, you can ask while loading pages. If you are having some problems, then you can contact Gautam or you can contact our NMMU teams also. Maybe they can connect you with the hard issues. Yeah. So maybe in the meeting, and I think Guwahati, Yogesh, we can close the meeting. I think.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. We can close,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes.
Yeah. So thank you so much. Thank you all the states for joining for this demonstration, and thanks a lot to NIC team for making the demonstration. Yogesh, my NMMU team for being there. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you, madam.
Okay. Thank you.